Only this, not you guys.
Yeah. How does this, I mean,
Nice.
Aiden, how does this
Oh,
work?
that's nice.
Is it for Mommy Sonic?
Yep.
Yeah. But I cannot put your faces,
Oh, yeah,
okay?
yeah, yeah.
Only your motorcycle. Do you mind if I flex it on my video?
It's okay.
Nice.
It's okay. Who put the key over here?
Mommy Sonic.
Hey,
That's,
key, is this your key?
oh.
Yeah.
I turn it on.
Hello everyone! Naku, feeling bata ako guys. Kasi ito mga bata ang kasama ko. Mga classmates, friends ng anak ko sila. Ang babait nila guys
With this cute kids.
Dito ko inihatid ang aking anak. Mag-i-e-bike rides daw muna sila at mamaya pag dumilim na, mag-trick or treat na daw sila. O, diba, bongga?
He needs something like this, no?
This one's 1,300, not that one right there. It's like I think we're 900.
Oh.
Narinig nyo yan ha? Ang mamahal pala ng mga e-bikes nila.
Hey, what? Who is that? Whose dog is this? Jaden's? It's cute. Oh my goodness.
So, ayun nga guys, naiwan na ako dito. Babalikan ko na lang sila mamaya after 4 hours. Lord, protektahan mo naman sila. Ayan guys, idaan na lang natin sa prayers. Wala naman na talaga tayong magagawa. Kapag ka mga teenager na ang ating anak, ay talaga namang mag-e-explore at mag-e-explore yan sila. At itong aking anak nga ay mahilig mag-bike ride or motorbike, e-bike. Lahat na lang ng bike.